This is the S&P 500 Spider ETF SPY one-day reading for December 23rd, 2024. It's currently December 18th, 2024, 9:34 p.m. Eastern Time, playing major catch-up here to hit our deadlines by the end of the year. So apologize for the lack of editing for these videos. Matter of factly, a lot of people actually gave me their input saying that they actually like these unedited versions. So I think probably moving forward, we're going to be doing unedited dailies, which will save us a ton of time. Also, we'll be the early access subscribers on our Discord channel. They'll be able to actually watch these videos because I'll be dropping the links directly into Discord throughout all of 2025. Basically, we started doing that at the very end of this year. So that's the earliest you can get it. My guy actually takes it from Discord and uploads it to the website. Another reason to have our Discord. So the overall theme of behavior for the day, we have a rally into key resistance. We break down from that resistance with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. Usually those spikes will be moving averages in bearish formation as their resistance. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a prominent move higher, full retracement back down. Behavior around the lowest low for the day, we have a breakout out of the low. Interesting. There's a correlation here between the theme card and the low card. Hard to say if it's a breakout out of the low or it's a false breakout followed by a decline into low. I think it's probably a breakout out of the low. But very likely this decline rallying into key resistance with the consecutively lower spikes up on the way down will take us from that resistance all the way into the low. So in the pre-market, we have a U-shaped dip that right around the open, there's a prominent low on a one-day chart. Interesting. So this is pretty tricky, guys. We've got this rally out of a low, out of the open. The rally offers opportunity to open up a short position, but is it a daily, like a day trade, or is it a multi-day? I have to look at that in more detail. We have sideways rotation in the first half hour with a fast sudden move higher, and then there's a notable fake-out, shakeout, intentional fake-out, shakeout of some kind between 10 and 11. So be careful not to do the wrong thing impulsively based on some sort of falsely triggered indicator. And then we've got this failed attempt to break through key resistance between roughly 11 and 12. It's followed by a decline through key support and an unexpected move to the upside. So it's probably a decline. This devil card is probably a decline. And then we have this unexpected move to the upside taking us into a highest high thus far with this failed attempt to break through key resistance and a decline through key support into declining from that peak at the end of the hour just before 12, declining probably all the way into just after 1 o'clock, where we should see a notable rally into key resistance. Again, likely a high thus far for the day there, and then a big move to the downside off of that high through multiple support levels back into a trough. There's another fake out or some sort of tricky chart behavior right around 3 o'clock, so be very careful of that. And a lot of volatility in the last hour, with possibly another peak or high of some kind at the end of the day. It's a little... It could be a possibility based on the correlation, but the fact that we've got the strife card as the theme card makes it unlikely to be a high. It's more likely to be a peak of some kind that'll stand out. And then we've got sideways rotation in the post market with a big move higher and then more sideways rotation as we enter into, or as we exit 2020, as we exit December 23rd and move into the 24th. And that's SPY for the 12th. That's SPY for December 23rd, 2024. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. As always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. Guys, if you're interested in the Discord, you go to our website, Tarot for Traders, hover over Order Now, click on Subscriptions, and for the early access subscription, you're clicking here. It's $60 a month, $600 for the year. It gets you the earliest access to all of our public posts on YouTube. Usually they're like a month ahead. We're so far behind right now. But when we catch up by the end of January, we should be more than a month ahead again. Either way, it's the earliest you can get them. It's also where you get the live Discord trade alerts and live updated trading view charts. We do day trades occasionally. Not all and not every single day, but when we see good day trades, we throw them up on the Discord, as well as the swing trades as well for SPY. All right, guys. Thanks to everybody that goes ahead and does that. And if you're interested in, oh, guys, look at this. This is something. If you've got the Discord, this is the type of thing that you would be benefiting. Like we were talking about QUBT. You know, we were talking about QUBT like just a couple days before it went parabolic. 650, it went all the way to 26, and it's going to continue to go higher. You would have known about that if you were on the Discord. We threw it in the public Discord. Blessings. I'll see you on the next one.